Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 29. My name is Walter. Today we are going to convert fraction to decimal. In converting fraction to decimal, we are going to divide. The numerator is going to be a dividend and denominator is going to be a divisor. Let's straight go to question number 1. We have to change 3/4 into decimal. What you're going to do, we are going to divide. We are going to take 3 as dividend and 4 is going to be as a divisor. So here numerator is going to be a dividend, so 3 divided by denominator is going to be a divisor, divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 is impossible, so it goes by 0. We put decimal and then we are going to add zeros. 30 divided by 4, it goes by 7. 7 times 4 is 28. We take away, we remain with 2. 2 divided by 4, it is impossible. We'll add 0. It goes by 5. 5 times 4, we get 20. So our decimal will be equal to 0.75. Let's go to question number 2. We have 3 whole number, 5/8. We need to put into decimal. But remember, this 3 already is a whole number. So this will be equal to 3 decimal. We are going to change 5/8 into decimal. Let's finish the last question, question number 3. We have 5/2/5. We need to convert it into decimal. But this 5 here is whole number. So our whole number is 5 decimal. We are going to work with 2/5 to decimal. So 2 is going to be dividend. So we have 2. And 5 is going to be a divisor. 2 divided by 5, it is impossible. So it goes by 0. We put decimal. We add 0. 20 divided by 5, it goes by 4. 4 times 5, we get 20. Take away, we remain with nothing. So we get 0.4. When we add to 5 whole number, we are going to get 5.4. Hope you understand how to convert fractions to decimal. For more lesson on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.